Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the help center on the WebComics application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the More section next to the Library option at the lower right corner of the screen. And here you can find the Help Center option and step on it. And here you can find different questions about featured, top-up, premium and functions. And just select one and step on it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.